This is what a typical day at Top Gear looks like. Fun, isn't it? Pushing cars to their extreme limits, having fun with them, imagining things that the normal consumer wouldn't. But today is a slight different approach that I'm having. Today is all about having fun, and today is about me taking the back seat and enjoying the day that is. Welcome to Top Gear Mag India. I'm your host for the day, but more importantly, meet my two lovely guests.
Hi guys, this is Karishma Sharma and I'm here today to have a lot of fun with a lot of surprises.
Hi guys, I'm Lopamudra Raut and I love cars just as much as you do, and I'm ready to have some fun.
Now, I'm sure you've seen both of these faces on your screens very often, very popular figures. But today we are here to celebrate the day in a slightly different way. We are here to celebrate the International Women's Day. And yes, we've got coffee for them. And you can have your coffee. And in the meantime, I'll send you out a message. Girls, it's time to check your phones.
And I'm done, thanks to my mom and her regular hot caras. Bye babe.
Now, the first task involves both of these girls to sip on their coffee, and the first one to do that meets their surprise for the day, which is the Tata Altroz waiting outside. And they have to go to the nearby mall and accessorize the car. Now, this should be interesting. Let's see what the girls are up to.
It's too hot. Can I have a cold coffee, please? Damn, it's so hot in Bombay, but thanks to Express Cooling. The Altroz consists of 27 connected features through Tata's Aira app, and if that's not enough, it also has a sports mode. Let me show you real quick.
Sport drive mode activated.
Guys, the seats are so freaking comfortable. The Altroz is so solidly built and I can feel it. It's amazing. So now, I'm going to get to driving. Okay, what do I need? Oh, that's money. Big money. All right, we're going for the star then. Because you're like a star.
Looks like a really interesting shop. Now this goes with my personality and it'll always make me happy in my car.
Oh, you made it! Finally.
Well, I was enjoying the drive.
Another task?
Confused? Okay, so you have 10 seconds. We have a few boxes lying around. Pack as many as you can in the vehicle, wherever you want to put them. But 10 seconds is all you have, and you have to drop them at a very specific location. I'll tell you what it is. Ideas flood pushover. You're still confused? Okay. One hint, download the app and see where it takes you. Good job, guys, both of you. Both of you were equally efficient in packing your cars, which is a great thing. Since you both have scored equally there, let's move on to something more interesting, right? That. We've got a closed environment and we've got some cones. That only means one thing, it's going to be fun. There's, that's right. So there's a slalom that you both will be attempting, and then if you both are into it, let's both pit you head to head and see which one wins first. All right? Are you ready?
Very much.
Are you, Karishma? Good, let's go. How was your day, guys?
Adventurous.
How was your day, girls? Sorry, but I'm glad to hear. What about you, Karishma?
It was amazing.
It was
I had
amazing?
A lot of fun.
Okay, good to hear. So I've got the scores here, but you know what? Today is Women's Day, so let's scrap this. You both did really great. You both were really lovely guests.
Woo!
Yep,
Woohoo!
and that's
Yes.
that's what we wanted to achieve. You know
I
that
think
you
we
both.
wanted to have fun. Yeah, and which we did. Indeed.
That's always great to hear. So tell me, what did you like in the vehicle, and your thoughts around Women's Day in general?
I feel the Tata Altroz is just the perfect car, the most convenient car for men and women both, which is the most special feature about that car, I feel.
What about you, Karishma? What did you think about the car?
Tata Altroz is a unique car, and I think what makes it really unique is the connectivity. So basically your car is literally connected to your phone, everything, all the features. What I really enjoyed is that you can play music, you can unlock your car through your phone, which is, I think, so cool. The music system is fab. You know, we get stuck in traffic and usually it makes us very sulky. So I think a great music system can really uplift your mood. Also, I think when I was just shifting the boxes while doing the adventure, realized that there's a lot of space in the car. I would love to travel with my dog. So I think that makes it really nice, lot of space for me and my dog to go for a long drive. I love the car.
So I'm extremely happy that Tata Altroz and Top Gear Magazine India has taken this initiative and had us on the show. We had so much fun this Women's Day. It was a different and a special kind of Women's Day that we celebrated. And I think it's a great opportunity to tell all the men out there that women are good on wheels. So yeah, it was great fun. Thank you for having us.
To all my lovely ladies, a very happy Women's Day. Why should boys have all the fun? So well, this year I did something so different. I actually went on a drive, which was so liberating. Usually I'm with my mum or my sisters going for dinner, doing something really chill. But this year was so exciting, so adventurous. Thank you, Top Gear. Thank you, Tata Altroz, for doing this for us. Amazing time. Thank you so much.
All right then, let's end this day. I would have given you prizes, but again, this is not a competition. So here are the keys. You can have the car for the rest of the day. Go out and enjoy, have fun, while I'll take the rickshaw. All right.
You can come with us.
Fine, I'll join you. Yeah.